This is questions 7, 8 and 9 from exercise 4.1 in Project Maths 3A. So in the questions we've got to find the measure of the angle theta where 0 degrees is less than theta, which is less than 90 degrees, correct to the nearest degree. In other words, theta is an angle between 0 and 90 degrees. That's all they're saying in this bit just here. So for question 7, we'll start here. We've been told that the sine of theta is equal to 2/3. Now our next line on this means that we're going to say that theta itself is equal to sine inverse of 2/3. Now there's no simple way to do this without a calculator, so we're going to have to go to a calculator in order to solve this. Now sine inverse, this function just here, sine to the power minus 1 is the way it's written, is not just a matter of pressing the sine button and then pressing the power button and putting in minus 1. That won't work. What we're actually going to have to do for this, and we can see this in the calculator on the right, is we're going to press the shift key, which is highlighted in the top left in the red box, and then we're going to press the sine button. And then we're going to be presented with sine inverse bracket on our screen. And what we'll have to do then is input whatever number we have in our bracket over here. In this case it's 2/3. Now we'll close our bracket and we'll press equals. Once we have done that, we'll be given a value. Now our value in this case is going to be 41.81 ... There's more numbers ahead of it, but that's inconsequential because we're rounding correct to the nearest degree. So what we have here is this is 41.81 degrees because you remember that theta is an angle. And if we're being asked to find this correct to the nearest degree, it means that we're just going to round it to the nearest whole number. So 41.81 rounded to the nearest whole number is 42 degrees, like that. And we're going to do the exact same process for 8 and 9, but we'll go through them now. So if cos theta is equal to 4/7, that means that theta is equal to cos inverse of 4/7. And it's roughly the same process as before. We go to our calculator, we press the shift button, we press the cos button, which will give us cos inverse and a bracket, and then we're going to put in our 4/7. Then we're going to close the bracket and press equals. And our calculator will tell us that the cos inverse of 4/7 is 55.15 degrees. But we need that correct to the nearest degree, so the nearest whole degree. So in this case we're saying that theta is equal to 55 degrees, like that. And then for the very last one we've got tan theta is equal to 1/8. Same process as before, shift button, tan button. We'll be given on our screen a bracket and a space to put in a number. We're going to put in 1/8. Then we're going to close our brackets and press equals, and our calculator will tell us that the tan inverse of 1/8 is equal to 7.125, and there's other numbers, but it doesn't matter because we're rounding to the nearest whole number. So theta is equal to 7 degrees in this case. And that is that.